So I'll be showing you how to rewrite equations and formulas in this lesson. So when you are rewriting equation and formula, what you are trying to do is to solve the formula for a particular variable that is chosen. Okay, so and some of these formulas, we can also call them literal equations. Okay, like this example 2, which says ax plus by equals to c, because you don't find any, there's no number. So every number in the equation has been replaced with a letter. Okay, so in that case, we call it a literal equation. So this is very important in mathematics because when you are given a question, okay, sometimes you want to be able to isolate some variable in your formula to be able to solve for them. So that is why the skill that you are going to gain from this lesson is very important. So let's do the example number 1. So example number 1, and this formula, A equals to half B H. This is the simple formula for finding the area of a triangle. Okay, so A equals to half base times height. So we want to solve for H. So to solve for H, we can rewrite this as A equals of BH divided by 2. Okay, so because 2 is dividing B multiplied by H, so we need to multiply both sides by 2. So we need to multiply both sides by 2. So 2 goes into 1. So the formula reduces to 2A equals to BH. And since we are solving for H, then we need to divide both sides, okay, by B to get rid of the B. So B goes in B, 1. So that means this reduces to 2A divided by B equals to H. And that's it. So for second example, we are asked to solve for y. So and this equation, ax plus by equals to c, this is actually the standard form of a linear function or a linear equation. So that you are being asked to solve for y means they want you to change the standard form equation to the slope-intercept form, okay? So we are solving for y, so that means we want to move this ax to the right. So it is positive here, so it's going to be negative after we move it. So by will be equal to c minus ax, okay? So now all we need to do is to divide by b. So we can divide by b because we are trying to isolate y. So b goes in b1. So at the end of the day, we have y equals to c minus ax divided by b. And that's it. You are done. Or if you want to simplify further, you can actually say y equals to c divided by b minus a over bx. You can also rewrite it as that, but it's not compulsory. But you can, it's good to know that these two things are the same. Okay, for example number 3, you are asked to solve for L. So you are given the formula P equals to 2L plus 2B. So if you remember again, this formula is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So in a rectangle, you have length and breadth, okay? This is length, breadth, or width. So you want to be able to, some people say width, so let's use width because I think that is used more in the US, okay? So let's say width. So then let's change the B to width, okay? Okay, so if you want to find perimeter of this shape, so you have to add length to length, which is L plus L, which is 2L, and W plus W, which is 2W, which is the width. So now we just want to, so all we are concerned about here is to solve for the length. So if you want to solve for the length, that means we need to move this 2W. Okay, we need to move it to the left. So that will make it to become negative. So it's going to be P minus 2W equals to 2 length. So then we divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, so length will becomes P minus 2W divided by 2. And that's it. Okay, so whenever you are solving literal equation, it is as simple as just isolating one of the variables. And I hope these examples are able to help you in your own study. Have a nice day. Bye.